Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. That's right, I'm Frank Bruno. Had a busy day today. I had a real estate closing and 2 court appearances. A few phone calls in the middle, a couple of emails. Voila, the day was over. So the real estate closing, what has been going on lately is that the closings themselves have gotten a little faster. So I did that first thing in the morning. Why is that? What do I mean by that? Well, in the old days, and even pre-pandemic, we would leave some adjustments for the closing. There'd be some math. We'd figure things out. Now, the banks that are involved are requiring so much information up front within, say, a week of the scheduled closing that adjustments are done. We know all of the checks that have to be made payable to the seller. If we're the buyer, we know what checks to bring well in advance. And if we're the seller, we know what checks we're going to receive. And then at the closing, it's just a matter of signing transfer documents, deed, the documents that go with it, and the seller does that. Borrower and seller both sign some of the transfer documents, and the borrower signs all of the mortgage documents. Then it's quickly over. And then I had 3 court appearances. So in the morning, late morning, I had a court appearance where I am the court-appointed special guardian for an individual that's going through a divorce. And I was appointed through a complicated situation. I inherited it. The individual was going through a divorce. It was identified that a guardian, in Article 81, mental hygiene law proceeding was necessary. There was, in fact, a guardianship proceeding. I became appointed to this individual as the special guardian for the purpose of the divorce matter. And then later on, I had also a court conference regarding the guardianship aspect of that same case. And then there was another court appearance where I actually was appointed about 5 years ago as the attorney for children in a divorce. And the case just has not ended. Sometimes parents are enemy combatants, right? And they fight and fight. And sometimes it's a war of attrition. Sometimes sometimes it gets to the next level. And we're pre-trial getting ready to set trial dates in that matter. So that was the day. If you need help with any of the type of things that I mentioned, please go to frankbrunolaw.com.